Hey everyone, today we're looking at the EC2 series by Nightingale. This was designed to adapt to our changing posture throughout our workday as we sit and move about in our chair. Also designed to elevate our performance while we work and still offer a great sense of style and aesthetic along with all it offers for support. The EC2 series has intrinsic or built-in lumbar support. You can see it right here in the lower part of the back, and that is designed to match and support the lumbar curve in our lower back. You also find it comes with a very smooth, unique look and a styled aluminum polished arms, and they are capped with a nylon polyurethane cap for durability and also comfort. The EC2 series comes with an built-in headrest, and so that's to support the curve in our neck, our cervical curve, again to offer support and comfort and enhance performance while we work through the day in this chair. We're going to sit in the chair now, and on your left-hand side of the chair you're going to find a lever or a paddle there. That is for your tilt. The EC2 series comes with what's called a knee tilt swivel mech. So we can of course swivel or turn in the chair. This lever activates the tilt. When the lever is up, the chair is locked in position. In this case it's locked upright, it's not moving. When I push this lever down, now I've got that rocking chair motion, or what we call a free float. I can find the angle I want, I can bring the lever back up, it locks it into place. The 2 series offers a positive back release, which means when I lower the lever, I've just released the lock, but the chair didn't move, it didn't throw me out of it. I just simply lean back till I hear a very slight click. There it is. Now it gently follows me as I go to exit the chair. On our right hand side we have a dual purpose lever. There's a flat paddle and a round knob. Your flat paddle is your gas lift. So if you lift that up, the gas lift is activated. As you lift your weight, the chair will rise. As you sit in the chair and lift that paddle up, it lowers down to the proper setting, which is what you want, about a 90-degree angle of a bend in your knees as you sit. The front, or the knob on this adjustment, is to adjust the tension on your tilt. So if you turn it to the right or clockwise, it's going to increase the tension and it's going to give you a firmer resistance as you lean back or tilt in the chair. As you turn it counterclockwise or to the left, it's going to loosen your tension and make it very free floating, very less resistance. The EC2 series comes standard with a polished aluminum base and dual-wheeled carpet casters. Our 2 series EC can be upholstered in any fabric or textile, also in any of the leathers or vinyls, including healthcare vinyl. And that is the EC2 series by Nightingale.